The health benefits of ginger tea and its medicinal uses. Ginger tea is a herbal medicine that has been used for thousands of years by the ancient Chinese, Arabs, Romans and Greeks. This simple natural remedy is still used today to heal and protect the body from many different health problems. In today's video, we will explore 20 facts and benefits of ginger tea and share a simple recipe to use at home. 1. Settles nausea. Ginger tea is one of the best natural remedies for treating travel sickness, morning sickness and motion sickness. It contains natural chemicals called gingerols and shogaols which help to settle the stomach and stop nausea. Those undergoing chemotherapy may also use ginger tea to reduce vomiting. 2. Digestion. Ginger has been proven to be one of the best natural remedies for supporting healthy digestion and in breaking down foods. Ginger has been used for centuries to soothe stomach pain, bloating and gas. Always use fresh ginger tea as this contains prebiotics that help friendly bacteria to grow in the intestines. 3. Skin health. One of the warning signs that you have poor digestive health is skin problems like psoriasis, eczema, acne and blemishes. Drinking ginger tea and other herbal teas helps to reduce inflammation in the GI tract, which naturally heals many skin problems. We also recommend cod liver oil for any skin issues. 4. Fights infections. Ginger is well known as one of the most powerful healing spices in the world, containing natural spice compounds which fight off infections and diseases. If you are suffering with a cold or infection, drink 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed ginger tea per day with a little freshly squeezed lemon juice. 5. Boosts immunity. Many people drink ginger tea to keep their immune system strong, especially during the winter. Ginger has an anti-inflammatory effect on the body and helps to activate your white blood cells. These cells fight off harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria from the environment and can protect the lungs and respiratory system. 6. Heartburn. If you suffer with heartburn, acid reflux or GERD, then we recommend chewing on a fresh piece of ginger root. The natural chemicals will quickly soothe the stomach and get rid of pain and inflammation. 7. Brain health. Ginger contains bioactive compounds and antioxidants that can reduce inflammation in the brain and improve cognitive function. Drinking this tea regularly protects the brain cells and has been shown to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and memory loss with age. 8. Reaction time. Evidence suggests that ginger can also boost brain function directly by improving reaction speeds and memory. This is very helpful when playing sports or general day-to-day activities. 9. Joint pain. If you suffer with stiff and painful joints, then drinking ginger tea can help. The natural shogaols and gingerols found within the ginger help to reduce inflammation throughout the body and relieve pain. This is more effective than over-the-counter drugs for relieving all kinds of pain, including headaches and muscle pain, yet is completely natural. 10. Menstrual pain. Women who suffer with heavy and painful periods can take ginger capsules or consume ginger tea for natural pain relief. Some studies show that ginger is more powerful than ibuprofen for relieving period pain. 11. Digestive health. Over 50% of people are infected with the bacteria Helicobacter pylori. This bacteria causes damage to the stomach lining and can cause gastritis, peptic ulcers, and even lead to gastric cancer. Ginger has been shown to prevent the growth of this bacteria and to treat existing infections. 12. Stress. Fresh ginger tea with a little raw lemon juice is an excellent remedy for treating stress and anxiety. The natural chemicals help to soothe the adrenal glands and balance the stress hormone called cortisol. Ginger also helps to keep your blood pressure stable and normalize the heartbeat, making you feel more relaxed and peaceful. 13. Weight loss. Ginger is a thermogenic spice, meaning that it causes your body to burn more calories. The gingerols and zingiberine within the tea help to boost the metabolism, which helps you to lose weight and burn off those extra pounds. Ginger also supports a healthy pancreas and keeps your blood sugars under control. 14. Cancer. Ginger has been shown in various studies to block the growth of certain types of cancer cells. The active compounds trigger cancer cell death, especially in women with breast or ovarian cancer. It may also lower the risk of pancreatic cancer as it supports the beta cells in this important organ. 15. Fertility. Ginger tea is excellent for treating erectile dysfunction in men as it improves blood flow to the penis. It has also been shown to improve sperm quality and improve the libido in women. Drinking this daily is very helpful when trying to conceive a child. 16. Ulcerative colitis. If you suffer with ulcerative colitis or an inflamed colon, then ginger or turmeric tea can help. Both of these spices have natural healing capabilities for treating problems in the digestive system and gastrointestinal tract. The fresh variety works much better than the dried spices. 17. Recipe. Add 1 inch of thinly sliced ginger to a pan with 500 milliliters of water. Bring this mixture to the boil over high heat and reduce to a simmer for 20 minutes. Pour this tea through a fine sieve to remove the particles and then drink. If you wish, you can add some freshly squeezed lemon juice for added health benefits and stevia for sweetness. You can make a larger batch of this tea if you wish to store in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. It tastes wonderful as an ice-cold drink. 18. Alternatives. You can also add fresh ginger to curries, stir-fries and smoothies to get this into your diet. It works well as a flavoring for Asian dishes with raw pumpkin pie and can be grated into salads and overcooked vegetables. 19. Dosage. 2 to 3 cups of ginger tea per day is more than enough to enjoy its magnificent benefits. You can also purchase ginger root capsules online and in health food stores. 20. Caution. Breastfeeding mothers, those who are taking blood-thinning tablets, or diabetics should always consult their healthcare professional before using ginger as a herbal treatment. Also, if you suffer with irregular heartbeat or heart arrhythmia, then ginger could cause further problems. Be sure to speak to your cardiologist. As you can see, ginger tea has some excellent health benefits for the human body, especially when it comes to improving digestive health. To learn more about nutrition and herbal medicine, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.